Hello students, Standard 11 Accounts, Chapter number 8 General Proper. We discuss the subsidiary book of goods like purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. And also we discuss the another subsidiary book, it's a cash book, petty cash book, the different type of petty cash book. And today we will discuss the journal proper. So first we discuss the meaning of journal proper. Meaning of journal proper. Meaning of journal proper. These subsidiary books, the subsidiary book in which the transactions which are not the transactions which are not recorded in any other subsidiary book are recorded is known as journal proper, is known as journal proper. Now again see the subsidiary books in which ऐसी subsidiary book है जिसमें the transaction which are not recorded in any other subsidiary books, जो transaction other subsidiary books में record नहीं हो रहे are recorded, जिसमें वो record हो रहा है is known as general propers. यानी other subsidiary books में जो transaction हम record नहीं कर रहे वो means जहाँ पे record हो रहा है that is known as general proper. बहुत ही सिंपल है. जनरल प्रॉपर की स्पेसिमेन सेम जनरल एंट्री जैसे ही है. जनरल प्रॉपर ऑफ श्री, सी द जर्नल प्रॉपर ऑफ श्री ब्लैंक, सेम टू सेम मीन्स उसकी भी स्पेसिमेन है लाइक डेट, देन पर्टिकुलर्स, LF लेजर फोलियो नंबर, डेबिट रुपीज एंड क्रेडिट रुपीज, डेबिट रुपीज एंड क्रेडिट रुपीज. तो ट्रांजेक्शन्स recorded in general propers, the classification of transactions recorded in general propers, the transactions which cannot be recorded in any other subsidiary books are recorded in general propers. So which transactions are recorded in general propers? तो simple है, the transactions which cannot be or which are not recorded in any other subsidiary books is recorded in a general propers. The classification of the transactions recorded in general propers, see the first one, opening entries, are recorded in general proper. Second one, transactions not included in other subsidiary book, transactions not included in other subsidiary book. Third one, transactions of inter account transfer. Transaction of inter account transfer closing entries. Closing entries. 5 number, adjustment entries. And 6 number, rectification entries. Rectification entries. Opening entries, transactions not included in other subsidiary books. The transactions which are not included in other subsidiary books, like the purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales book, cash, bills receivable, bills payables, are recorded in a general propers. ट्रांजेक्शन ऑफ इंटर अकाउंट ट्रांसफर, यानी एक अकाउंट में से दूसरे अकाउंट में हम मीन्स फंड या अमाउंट ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं तो वो मीन्स जनरल प्रॉपर में रिकॉर्ड होगा. ट्रांजेक्शन्स क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज, ऑल दी अकाउंट्स जब भी हम क्लोज करेंगे तो उसकी जो क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज हैं ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डेड इन अ जनरल प्रॉपर. एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज एंड रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्रीज, किसी भी मिस्टेक को रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए जो एंट्रीज कर रही है ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डेड इन अ जनरल प्रॉपर. टुडे we'll discuss the opening entries. Today we discuss the first point, opening entries. We discuss the opening entries. When a person start his business, he brings in personal assets. He brings in personal assets into business, which is recorded in the general properties. जो भी means personal assets वो business में लेके आ रहा है वो हम कहाँ पे record करेंगे? General properties में. यानी when a businessman start its business, the opening entries is recorded in a general proper, but we'll keep one thing in mind. When the new partner brings any cash in business, it is recorded in a cash book. It is recorded in cash book. So the cash brought by the new partners or a cash brought by the businessman when he commences the business or when he start the business is recorded in a cash book, and all the things and all other things are recorded in a general propers. For example, while starting the business, while starting the business, Manan brought cash ₹15,000, furniture of ₹10,000, stock of goods of ₹8,000, of ₹8,000, and personal debtors of ₹3,000, and personal debtor of ₹3,000, and personal creditors and of ₹5,000 into the business. So simple, here we write the general proper of मनन. तो एंट्री मीन्स हम क्या करेंगे वो समझ लो. द कैश ब्रॉट बाय द न्यू पार्टनर्स, कैश ब्रॉट बाय द न्यू पार्टनर्स इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक. इट मीन्स द सब्सिडरी कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड होने वाली है. सो इट विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द जनरल प्रॉपर. सो द जनरल एंट्री इन जनरल प्रॉपर, तो जनरल प्रॉपर ऑफ जर्नल प्रॉपर of श्री मनन डेट, एक्चुअली कोई डेट है नहीं, पर्टिकुलर LF डेबिट रुपीज एंड क्रेडिट रुपीज. So the cash is recorded in a cash book. Furniture brought in, so furniture comes in furniture account debited. Stock of goods account debited. Stock of personal debtors, so debtors account debited. And personal creditors of ₹5,000 to creditors account and to capital account. तो फर्नीचर 10,000, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स 8,000 and personal debtors 3,000 and personal creditors 5,000 and capital, तो 10 plus 8 plus 3 21, 21 minus 5 16, तो 16,000 is credited कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो ये मीन्स सिंपल जनरल एंट्री है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो है कि ट्रांजेक्शन्स नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन अदर सब्सिडरी बुक्स, ट्रांजेक्शन्स नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन अदर सब्सिडरी बुक्स, तो वो टॉपिक जो है वो मीन्स नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. सो आज यहीं पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.